Hello everyone. So after a long time, I'm here with the new topic, that is logarithm, which is the most important topic for 11th 12th class. All right. So let's start. Logarithm. First of all, we'll talk about its definition. If a is a positive real number other than 1, that is a is not equals to 1, and x is the rational number such that a raised to power x is equal to capital N, then we say that log for n to the base a is equal to x, and it is written as log a n is equal to x. Okay, let's just simplify this one more time. If a raised to power x is equals to n, then log of this number with this base is equal to this number. Okay, for example, we have 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, because we know that 2 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो हमेशा आंसर 8 आता है. Alright, so log of 8 with base 2 is equals to 3. Okay, if we say that 5 raised to power 2 is equals to 25, then it implies that log of 25 with base 5 is equals to 2. Alright, this is the basic definition of logarithm, and that is the basic formula for log, or basic statement we can say. Alright, next topic is laws of logarithm, or we can say just important properties of log. Even more important thing is logarithm, in short written as just log, means जब भी हम यूज़ करेंगे क्वेश्चंस में तो हम log में इतना बड़ा वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करते लिखने में, हमेशा एक छोटा वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, that is log. Alright, this is the abbreviation for logarithm. Alright, so laws of logarithms for a greater than 0 and a is not equals to 1. Alright, first is if m and n are positive rational numbers, then log a mn is equals to log am plus log an. This is your first property. We can see that log of product of two numbers is the sum of their log. Okay, for example, we have log 25, so it can be written as log a 5 into 5. That means it will be equals to log a5 plus log a5, that is 2 log a5. So this is your answer for log a25. Next property is log a m upon n is equals to log am minus log an. Means log of division of two numbers is equals to the difference of their logarithm. Okay, this is your second property. Next one is log a m raised to power n is equals to n log am. Just put your power before the log of this number. Alright, so log of m raised to power n is equals to n log m. Next one is log a1 is equals to 0, means 1 का log हमेशा 0 ही होता है चाहे बेस कुछ भी हो. Okay, next is log a to the base a is equals to always 1, that is the log of any positive quantity of the same base is always equals to 1. Next is log am is equals to log bm upon log ba, where a not equals to 1 and b is not equals to 1. This is also called base change formula. because if we see in left hand side log m to the base a means left hand side में आपके पास a का base क्या है a, but now in right hand side we have another base b means हमने base change कर दिया. ओके पहले बेस ए था और अब बेस कौन है बी है. So that's why it is also called base change formula. This is the important formula. इन सभी important है but ये कुछ ज़्यादा important है. Alright, next is a raised to power log a n is equal to n. Means just we can say that a raised to power log a is equals to 1 होता है. Okay, so 1 raised to power, so we can say जो बाकी क्वांटिटी बची हुई है वो आपकी एज इट इज आपके आंसर में आती है. सो वी कैन से दैट a log a इसकी वैल्यू होती है अप्रॉक्सीमेट इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सिंपल. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट इज log n raised to power p with base a raised to power q is equal to powers and powers p by q. Okay, in the fraction form, and remaining parts are log a n same as it is. Okay, just remember this property. This is also important law of logarithm. Log n raised to power p to the base a raised to power q is equal to p by q log a n. means powers और powers को डिवाइड में रख दीजिए. आफ्टर दैट जो क्वांटिटीज रिमेनिंग है उसे एज इट इज यूज करो. दैट्स इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इसमें एक केस यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ a इज इक्वल टू n, इफ a इज इक्वल्स टू n, दैट मीन्स इट विल बी log n raised to power q and n raised to power p. So according to this property we can say p by q log a is equal to n. So n. Now this property number 5 says that log of any positive quantity to their base to the same base is always equals to 1. That means log n is equals to 1. So this will be equals to p by q. This is one of the case for this property. Next is x raised to power log ay is equal to y raised to power log ax. If we change x and y, okay, if we interchange x and y, the value of this part will be equal to this part. means x और y को आपस में चेंज करने पर वैल्यू पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, so x raised to power log ay is equals to y raised to power log ax. Alright, so on the basis of these properties we have some questions to solve. Alright, question number 1, log 3a multiplied by log ax is equal to 4. Then what is the value of x? Okay, let's solve it. We have log 3a, we have a formula that is base change formula. So if we change the base to the base e or another base, okay, so we can say question number 1, log 3a can be written as log ea upon log e3 multiplied by log ax, that is log ex upon log ea is equal to, we have given 4. log e cancel out to log ea implies that log ex upon log e3 is equal to 4. Now according to this formula we have same base and m and a quantities are x and 3, so we can say this part will be equals to log am, that is log x to the base 3 is equals to 4. Now what is the basic definition of log, which is if a raised to power x is equals to n, then implies both of sides log n to the base a is equals to x. So according to that property we can say 3 raised to power 4 will be equals to x. So 3 raised to power 4 will be equals to x. So x is equals to 3 raised to power 4, that means 81. So the value of x is will be equals to 81. Next, if x is equals to 27, y is equals to log 3 4, then what is the value of x raised to y? So x raised to power y, that is 27, which is the value of x, and y, which is log 3 4. Okay, we can change 27 in the terms of 3. We can say 3 raised to power 3 log 3 4. It can implies that 3 raised to power log 3 4, this will be the power of 4 because of one of this property number third, log a m raised to power n is equals to n log m. So if n log m is equal to, means अगर आपके पास n log m है, so we can say this log m raised to power n. So we have n log m, so we can say log m raised to power n. Okay, now we know by this property that a raised to power log a is equal to a raised to power log a n is equals to n, so this will be equals to 1. So answer is 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3 means 64. So x raised to power y is equal to 64. Alright, last question is 2 raised to power log 3 5 minus 5 raised to power log 3 2. We have to find out the value of this expression. Alright, our last property was x raised to power log ay is equal to y raised to power log a x. These are equal when we change the x and y. We can interchange x and y. So if we change in x and y in this term, so this term can be written as 5 raised to power log 3 2 minus 5 raised to power log 3 2, which will be cancel each other. So answer is 0. That's it. So by these properties we can solve many questions. Alright, our last topic of today is system of logarithm. We have basically two systems in logarithm. First is common log and second is natural log. Common log system, it is also called bridge system. In this system we will take base as 10. मीन्स इस सिस्टम के अंदर हमेशा बेस 10 लिया जाता है. इस सिस्टम में हम लॉग को ln से भी शो करते हैं. दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू log 10. Alright, now in natural log the base will be e, that is exponential. Okay, it is an irrational number. The value of irrational number e will be between 2 and 3, which is approximately equals to 2.7. Alright, one more thing, if we have given natural log of some number, we can find the common log of that number by this relation. Natural log and common log में ये simple relation होता है. क्या? Log n means this is the common log because base is 10. So common log is equal to common log of any number is equal to natural log of that number divided by 0.4343. This is very important relationship between common log and नेचुरल लॉग. अगर आपको एक कॉमन लॉग गिवन है या फिर नेचुरल लॉग गिवन है तो आप दूसरा फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं इस फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग. Okay, so this is a log chapter. So thank you very much for listening. Please share this video as much as you can. Thank you, and subscribe MATHSWEB also.